Fucking hell! Oh my god! Ah! Oh, I'm so sorry! Oh, I'm so sorry. Holy shit, are you okay? I'm so sorry, come here. Oh my god. Are you okay?
I love your reaction.
Oh my god.
Good morning, everybody. How are you feeling today? I hope you're feeling very, very good and ready to start another English class. On today's class, we are going to start, guys, the unit 4. This unit is going to talk about food. Yeah? So get your books now, open them to page 38. And we are going to check a little bit of food. Okay? So, first of all, we are going to talk about American and English people eating habits. Nós veremos nessa unidade aqui um pouquinho sobre os hábitos alimentares dos americanos e dos ingleses. Okay, let's see how it is. It's going to be a little different. If we compare their habits to the Brazilian habits, it's going to be a little bit different. Okay, for starters, guys, I want you to open the books to page 39. We have a new grammar to study today. It's gonna be this grammar here. Okay, yes. Okay. All right. So, just one thing. Now we have Halloween decoration. Okay, until next week, we're gonna have some Halloween decoration on these slides. So guys, first of all, let's check this. This is going to be the new grammar you're going to learn, okay? The name of this is just, okay? Just, all right? The pronunciation is a little different. We are not going to say used to. No, we are not going to say use it. No, we are going to say just, all right? Let's see what it is. We use this to talk about past habits, okay? Essa estrutura nova que a gente vai ver nessa aula de hoje, ela é usada geralmente para falar sobre hábitos passados, hábitos que a gente tinha no passado ou não. Yeah? Let's see how it is. So I put here some examples for you in the affirmative form. I put some examples. I'm going to use the same examples for the negative and for the interrogative. Okay? So here, for the affirmative form, I used to smoke a lot. Yeah, I used to smoke a lot. Eu costumava fumar bastante. Yeah. The other one, John used to study Spanish on Mondays. John costumava estudar espanhol de segunda-feira, às segundas-feiras. Here, we used to play handball every day. Nós costumávamos jogar handball todo dia. They used to go to church every week. Eles costumavam ir à igreja toda semana, okay? So what is the idea here, guys? They used to. They don't do it anymore, okay? So, eles costumavam, eles não fazem mais isso. A ideia do used to vai ser isso, uma coisa que você fazia e não faz mais. Teacher, mas eu tenho que explicar que eu não faço mais? No, used to is gonna give this idea. Quando a gente usa o used to, ele já dá essa ideia de que acontecia e não acontecia mais. Eu não preciso ficar explicando, mas hoje em dia eu não vou mais, mas hoje em dia eu não faço isso mais. Não, não é necessário. A ideia do used to já vai ter isso implicada nela, ok? But then we can also have negative ideas and also interrogative, okay? Let's see the negative so you can understand that a little better. Here, I gotta change places, yeah. Negative, guys. I didn't used to smoke a lot. Yeah, I didn't used to smoke a lot. Eu não costumava fumar tanto. Okay, pay attention to this. John didn't used to study Spanish on Mondays. O John não costumava estudar espanhol às segundas-feiras. We didn't used to play handball every day. Nós não costumávamos jogar handball todos os dias. And they didn't used to go to church every week. Eles não costumavam ir à igreja toda semana. Alright? What is going to happen in the negative? When you use the negative form, is the opposite. It's quite the opposite. Why? Something that I didn't do, but now I do. O que vai acontecer quando a gente usa a forma da negativa? Quando eu falo assim para vocês, eu vou pegar aqui, ó. We didn't used to play handball every day. Nós não costumávamos jogar handball todo dia, no nosso passado. Hoje em dia, no nosso presente, a gente joga. Então, o que acontece? Quando vocês usam o didn't used to, que é a forma negativa, vai ser ao contrário. É um hábito que vocês não tinham e vocês passaram a ter. Teacher, eu preciso explicar isso? Não. Essa fórmula didn't used to, ela já dá essa ideia. Eu não tinha esse hábito e eu comecei a fazer. A gente não tinha esse hábito e nós começamos a ter, ok? Então, o legal do used to é isso. Só a fórmula dele, tanto na negativa quanto na afirmativa, ele já tem uma ideia emplacada na fórmula e vocês não precisam ficar explicando se acontece ou se não acontece mais. Não, that's not necessary, ok? Yeah? So, affirmative, só focando nos dois tópicos que a gente viu. Affirmative, quando a gente usa used to, era um hábito que eu tenho, não tenho mais, ok? Didn't used to, era um hábito que eu não tinha e eu passei a ter. Alright? Good? So, one thing that is important. Oh, let me go here, back here. Used to, ed. When I go to the negative, didn't used to, okay? Didn't used to. Here we don't say used to. No, we don't put the d. So it's didn't used to. All right? We put the d when we have the affirmative. When we go to the negative, we don't have to use it again. Ok? Pay attention to this. Quando vocês usam a forma negativa, não é used to mais. Ok? Ela vai ser só use, porque ela já tá na negativa, então não precisa colocar o D. Mas na afirmativa, that's necessary. Okay? The same is gonna happen for come back. Yeah. The same is gonna happen for interrogative form, okay? How to make questions using this. So, did you used to smoke a lot? Você costumava fumar bastante? Did John used to study Spanish on Mondays? O John costumava estudar espanhol às segundas-feiras? Did we used to play handball every day? Nós costumávamos jogar handball todo dia? Did they used to go to church every week? Eles costumavam ir à igreja toda semana? Yeah? So, here question, guys. Questions, I think the question is okay because we are talking about habits. We don't have established idea. Como é pergunta, a gente só tá perguntando mesmo. Então, ela não vai ter uma ideia estabelecida que nem a afirmativa e a negativa. A afirmativa fala de um hábito passado e a negativa fala de um hábito que eu não tinha e comecei a ter. Então, a question is just a question, guys. We are not talking about this. Like, is a habit, is not anymore. No. It's just a question, okay? What you have to remember, did, used to, okay? Did, used to, yeah? Because it's a question, we don't have to say used to. It's not necessary to do it, alright? Good? Então, como é uma question, vocês não precisam colocar o did de novo aqui, porque o did já tá fazendo a função do simple past, yeah? Used to is simple past, is a way to talk about the past. One thing that I want you to focus a little bit is gonna be the pronunciation, okay? The pronunciation of this is very essential. First of all, we don't say used to. Used to. No, we're not gonna say used to. No, we don't have this. There are two pronunciations, okay, for this. We can say used to, okay, used to, like this, okay, used to, or used to. Here we say to, like, I don't have one example in Portuguese, but tambourine, yeah, used to. So we can use used to, or used to. Teacher, mas qual que é a diferença desses? É super parecido. Yeah, it is. Só o probleminha vai ser só no comecinho, que vai ser used to, ok? Quando vocês estão falando no final de uma frase, Quando vocês colocam isso aqui no final de uma frase, vocês vão falar used to, ok? Used to, yeah? Que nem a gente fala o to normalmente. Quando vocês estão falando no meio de uma frase, que eu acho que é o que vai acontecer mais, que vocês vão usar isso bem mais, vocês vão falar used to, used to, ta, ok? Ta, like tomatoes, yeah, that's it. So, Tatiana. So, used to no meio de uma frase, used to no finalzinho de frase. É bem mais comum o segundo, na verdade, ok? Só tomem cuidado com esse comecinho aqui para não falar use it. Eu escuto muita gente falando use it. Até professor também fala muito isso, mas vai ser used to. Used to. It's a little different, yeah. Pronunciation is a little bit different in this case. Okay? So this here, this structure is to talk. We used to talk about past habits, whether you had it or no, ok? Essa estrutura será usada para falar de hábitos passados. Você tenha esses hábitos ou não, ok? Se você tenha tido esses tipos de hábitos ou não, alright? So remember, affirmative, when I use used to, I had, but I don't have these habits anymore. When I go for the negative, it's the opposite. I didn't have the habits, but now I do. All right? So this is gonna be the new structure you're gonna learn. It's very nice and it's very normal because we used to talk about pets, the habits, when we compare things. Like I'm gonna compare my past to my present. So yes is very necessary for this case when you have to make a comparison between the past and the present. Alright guys, now back to page 39. We are gonna see the hints. The hints gonna talk about food, okay? Normally food, the American and English people like to eat. Delicious, yeah? Kind of delicious food. Let's see. Let's check here. I'm gonna show you pictures of this, okay? So the first one here we have is the bagel. Alright, this is the bagel. Normally, guys, the bagel is salty. É salgada. Okay? This is the bagel. There are many names for both, so you're gonna see different names. This one here, English muffin. English muffin. Here. Then, something that is so common for English people normally. They love to eat fish and chips. They love this. It's something very common for them. Fish and chips. And in here we have hash brown. Yeah, hash brown. Something different, yeah, hash brown. Oh, here we have cheesy hash brown. Here I saw something in Portuguese is like dadinho de tapioca. It's something similar to this, guys. This is the maple syrup. Maple syrup is like, let me show you. I have one here. Is this one here? It's kind of a topping we put on the pancakes. Topping is cobertura. So it's kind of a topping we put on the pancakes. Okay. And then we have the oatmeal. Oatmeal, this. Or we can call it porridge. Yeah. There are two names, porridge or oatmeal. Then we have pancakes. Their pancakes is a little different from ours. Pancakes with ice cream. Peanut butter, very, very common. This peanut butter here and this one, they are very famous in the USA. Peanut butter, they normally put this on the bread. Sausage, this is sausage. They have this for breakfast, yeah. My breakfast is so simple, I don't like anything like this. And the famous waffles, okay? This is waffles. In Portuguese, we normally say waffles, but this is waffles. All right. So here, guys, bagel, English muffin, fish and chips, hash brown, maple syrup, oatmeal, porridge, pancakes, peanut butter, sausages, and waffles. Yeah? Oh, the waffles are delicious, guys. Very good. So, guys, here is what you're gonna have on the hints, today's hints. So, here, pronunciation again: bagel, English muffins, fish and chips, hash browns, maple syrup, oatmeal porridge, pancakes, peanut butter, sausages, and waffles. Let's listen.
Hints: bagel, English muffins, fish and chips, hash browns, maple syrup, oatmeal, porridge, pancakes, peanut butter, sausages, waffles.
Yeah, super simple, super simple. So normally this they mix it that are American, that are things that normally American people like to eat and things that normally English people like to eat. Okay, so it's kind of mixed. Like fish and chips. Normally this is for English people. Peanut butter, normally this is for American people. Okay, so it's kind of mixed this. But nice things to eat. So guys, I'm gonna check with you today this text. This is on page 38. Let's see here what we are gonna have here. So, over the last century, eating habits have changed a lot all over the world, and what people used to eat is no longer the same. No último século, os hábitos alimentares mudaram muito em todo o mundo e o que as pessoas costumavam comer não é mais o mesmo. Especially because globalization has made the world more connected. Especialmente porque a globalização fez o mundo ser mais conectado. What do you know about American English people eating habits? O que vocês sabem sobre os hábitos alimentares dos americanos e dos ingleses? Do you think they used to have frozen food and fast food, for example? Vocês acham que eles costumavam comer comida congelada e fast food? What about their eating habits at the present time? E sobre os hábitos alimentares de agora? For breakfast, they have cereal, milk, bread, toast, jam, orange juice or coffee. No café da manhã, eles comem cereal com leite, pão, torrada, geleia, suco de laranja, and coffee, café. Some people also have eggs, bacon, sausage, and hash browns. Algumas pessoas também comem coisas como eggs, bacon, sausage, que seriam linguiça mesmo, tá? E hash browns. On cold days, both choose hot cereal. Em dias mais frios, os americanos e os ingleses escolhem cereal quente, ou um cereal um tipo mais quente. Oatmeal or porridge, que seria que seria o mingau, okay? Americans also have toasted English muffins, bagels, peanut butter, pancakes, and waffles covered with butter or maple syrup. Os americanos também comem English muffins, bagels, peanut butter, pancakes e waffles com butter or maple syrup. Então, eles colocam manteiga em cima das panquecas ou esse maple syrup. Lunch is lighter and people have soups, rice and potatoes. Já o almoço é um pouquinho mais light. As pessoas tomam sopa ou comem batata com arroz. In the USA, sandwiches are popular and in England, fish and chips. Nos Estados Unidos, os sanduíches são mais populares. Já na Inglaterra, são a fish and chips. Okay? Dinner is considered the most important meal. O jantar é considerado a refeição mais importante. And also have the heaviest one. E também a mais pesada. It's composed of pasta, potatoes, meat, vegetables and rice. E o jantar é com pasta, que é qualquer tipo de massa, potatoes, batatas, meat, carne, vegetables and rice. Alguns legumes e arroz. Okay? Yeah? Yeah, guys, here in Brazil, basically the breakfast. Breakfast for us is a little different. The other is okay, but breakfast here it's very light if you compare to the other ones. Okay, let me write all of this now in English. Okay, no Portuguese. Over the last century, eating habits have changed a lot all over the world, and what people used to eat is no longer the same, especially because globalization has made the world more connected. What do you think? What do you know about American English people eating habits? Do you think they used to have frozen food and fast food, for example? What about their eating habits at the present time? For breakfast, they have cereal and milk, bread, toast, jam, orange juice, or coffee. Some people also have eggs, bacon, sausages, and hash browns. On cold days, both choose hot cereal, oatmeal, or porridge. Americans also have toasted English muffins, bagels, peanut butter, pancakes, and waffles covered with butter or maple syrup. Lunch is lighter and people have soups, rice, and potatoes. In the USA, sandwiches are more popular, and in England, fish and chips. Dinner is considered the most important meal and also the heaviest one. It is composed for, it is composed of pasta, potatoes, meat, vegetables, and rice. Let's listen, guys.
Unit 4. Food. American and English people eating habits. Over the last century, eating habits have changed a lot all over the world, and what people used to eat is no longer the same, especially because globalization has made the world more connected. What do you know about American and English people eating habits? Do you think they used to have frozen food and fast food, for example? What about their eating habits at the present time? For breakfast, they have cereal, milk, bread, toast, jam, orange juice, or coffee. Some people also have eggs, bacon, sausages, and hash browns. On cold days, both choose hot cereal, oatmeal, or porridge. Americans also have toasted English muffins, bagels, peanut butter, pancakes, and waffles covered with butter or maple syrup. Lunch is lighter, and people have soups, rice, and potatoes. In the USA, sandwiches are popular, and in English, fish and chips. Dinner is considered the most important meal, and also the heaviest one. It is composed of pasta, potatoes, meat, vegetables, and rice.
Yeah. Very nice. After I'm gonna show you some videos of breakfast. This is very nice when you compare the breakfast of other places in the world, like in China, Japan, USA, England, but like there are very different ones when you compare. Brazil, I think the Brazilian breakfast is the lightest. Like if you compare to the other ones, our breakfast is so simple, so much simpler than the other ones, guys. So, what we're gonna do today for homework is gonna be here, page 39, the got it, okay? So, you're gonna complete the got it. To help you out, let me see. You are gonna use used to, okay? There are many possibilities to use used to. Uh, da, 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 da. And yeah, eating habits. Yeah, you're gonna use a lot of here, a lot of the used to we saw, okay, the grammar points we saw today to complete this. Okay, pay attention, guys, especially to this affirmative, used to, negative, didn't, used to, and interrogative, did, used to. Okay, so remember here we have ed, and here no, here just the e, and here just the e. All right, be careful when you do this, the negative, affirmative, interrogative ways, because they are a little different. Okay, yeah, so today talking about eating habits, especially comparing the habits from the past to the habits here, the present habits. Okay, guys? So now you're gonna do the homework here, page 39. Just the got it for today's class is just the got it. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Remember, this homework is for tomorrow's class because it's gonna be video conference. All right, so see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. See ya.